Today we will do a real PMP job together with PMP Assist, so you can see more clearly how to use PMP Assist in your workflow. For this demo, I choose this small PCB with 30 components on it. This board is a Bitcoin hardware wallet design based on Trezor wallet. Anyway, please be sure that the board's lower left corner is on the origin before exporting the mount file. You can go to File, Export, Mount SMT to generate the PMP text file. Here we have the mount file. It shows all the components, name and positions. I will save this to an SD card and start assembly. Here I apply the solder paste with a stencil to the board. I'm recording both the microscope view and the PMP Assist view at the same time in order for you to see all the details. I'm homing the machine and installing the board on the device by using the tabs as a guide to set the board properly at the machine coordinates. Double-sided tape is holding the board on the machine. Here I am adjusting the laser crosshair to match with the center of the component. Rotating component carousel is helping me to choose the right component. I every time look at the onboard OLED screen to see the component name and take that component from the carousel. Free rotating axis helps me a lot while placing the revolved components. I am so excited while filming this video, so my hands are shaking a lot. The carousel has removable labels, so you can change the labels for your next PMP job. you.